In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website's visibility using the Wix SEO Wiz. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial aspect of maintaining a successful online presence. By following these steps, you can make your website more attractive to search engines, which means more visitors finding your pages. First, let's start with accessing the Wix SEO Wiz from your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find it nestled under the Marketing and SEO section. This is your hub for making your site SEO friendly. It's pretty straightforward. Follow the guided setup prompts. These will help you in optimizing your site's title, description, and keywords. Your site title should be short, yet descriptive, of what visitors can expect. The descriptions need to draw people in and explain your site's value in a few concise words. Choosing the right keywords is essential. Think about what terms people might use when searching for your content. Now let's turn to your images. Adding alt text is very important because it helps search engines understand your image content, and it also assists visually impaired users who rely on screen readers. Make sure your alt texts are descriptive and contain relevant keywords, but keep them natural and reflective of the image context. Next, take a look at your headings. By optimizing these, you're not only clarifying the structure of your content to search engines, but also improving user experience. Your headings should be clear and hierarchical. Use H1 for the main title and subheadings like H2 or H3 for sections. This ensures your content is easy to read and navigate. You'll also want to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. By submitting your sitemap, you're providing Google with a roadmap of all the places it should crawl and index on your site. This step is critical because it helps search engines find all your pages, especially the newer ones. It's equally important to ensure that all your pages feature SEO-friendly URLs and meta tags. Keep URLs simple and relevant to the page content. For meta tags, include keywords for each page they represent and ensure they accurately summarize your content. Finally, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly updating your content helps keep your site fresh in the eyes of search engines. Make a habit of monitoring your site's SEO performance. Check if your changes are reflecting in increased traffic and better search rankings. Tools like Google Analytics can provide valuable insight into how people find your site and interact with it. There you have it, a comprehensive approach to leveraging the Wix SEO Wiz to boost your online presence. By investing time in these practices, you'll set the stage for a site that's search engine friendly and engaging for users. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.